Hello everybody, I am Chitanshu from Dream Abroad and today I am in core downtown Toronto, and would you believe this beautiful rooftop is a student accommodation. Yes, in this video I'm going to give you a tour of a student accommodation in the heart, in the core of downtown Toronto. This video is going to be very interesting for all those students who are thinking of coming to the GTA region. I am pretty sure you'll be pretty excited to see this video. So guys, of course, I'm not a student, but my dear friend is. So this is Vaibhav.
Hello everyone.
And our friendship goes back like probably 10-15 years. Back from our college days, he's again studying. I'm not. But
Back to studies.
yes, and we're going to make a different video on that. But this video is all about the student accommodation, this beautiful accommodation in this beautiful place, heart of downtown Toronto. And as soon as I came over here, I was like, dude, we're going to make a video on this particular, area. How do you live as students? Whenever I come over here, I definitely come to spend some time with him on this rooftop. Not to meet him, to spend some time on this rooftop.
And I can tell you, so this is not the only rooftop over here. We have two balconies downstairs, and from one of the balcony, you get the entire CN Tower view.
So CN Tower is over there, right?
Yeah.
And you'd get a direct view of the CN Tower from that balcony.
Which we are missing right here.
Yes. So we are going to see that as well in this video. This video is going to be very, very interesting. Let's start with a tour of this rooftop first of all.
So guys, now we are on this rooftop. We can, if we look toward that side, we have the downtown financial district right over there. And if you focus a little bit on the downside, you can see Yonge and Dundas Square.
It might seem pretty far from here, but it's actually pretty close, probably like 4 or 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's just 4 to 5 minutes walk from Yonge and Dundas Square to this place. And you can, if you look at this side, you can see the entire Ryerson University campus. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not Ryerson University anymore. It is Toronto Metropolitan University.
So of course we are right at the core of downtown Toronto. Right there, all of this is Ryerson University. So pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool place to hang out, I'm pretty sure. These
That's
guys
right.
must be having a ball with friends when they come out to booze. Is boozing allowed over here?
Oh yes, there is no restriction as such. You just cannot booze on the rooftops.
So-
But yeah, people do come to rooftop for barbecue. We have free barbecues over here which we can use. The gas and everything is supplied by here. We just have to bring our food item, marinated one, and you can prepare your own barbecues and you can have your parties inside.
Let's go downstairs and check the rooms and the other facilities available.
So guys, this is how corridor looks like, and when you look at right side, that's my unit where we have 5 rooms which are shared by 5 people from different nationalities, and you can see 4 lifts on this side.
So this is 19th floor, and of course there are 4 lifts available. So in that sense, of course there are many people living, so it should not be a problem.
So guys, this is how room looks like.
So it's a nice size room, not very big, not very small. And of course, the first thing that captured my attention was the view from here.
So if you look in this room right now, the furniture is provided by the building, the management. But yeah, remaining stuff, for example, the TV, the decoratives which we have, the lights, lamps, electronics, these are all my own stuff.
Okay, so this furniture means we have the bed here, which has got, I
We
think,
have
some...
bed, we have the storage space over here under the bed. Then you have this computer table, which comes with the seat, and this is the storage space where you can put your entire stuff. So it might be little
clumsy.
but okay, you
That's
guys
fine.
have to manage that.
No, it's way too arranged, man. My closet is always a mess.
But yeah, there is a decent space available over
Actually
here.
decent.
So guys, in this unit, you can see that's my room, that's one more room, and there are 3 other rooms within this corridor. This is our first bathroom or washroom, and then we have our second washroom, and this is basically shared among 5 people in this all units.
Okay, so this is a full bath, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then we are stepping into the recreational area or the kitchen
The kitchen and
eating
the
area.
living area.
Yeah.
You can say both of them.
Okay,
So we have the storage spaces over here. The fridge is provided. Cook stove is provided by the community. All the furnishing which you are able to see over here, including that deep freezer.
So the furniture, the deep freezer, the couches, everything has been provided by them. I think.
Except fan, microwave, and coffee maker. These
Okay.
three are mine.
Okay, cool. So everything else has been provided by them.
Yes. So guys, the wing we are in right now, this is the Gerard wing, and the wing which we're gonna enter just few moments after this, that is the Miguel wing, where we have the large size rooms. But the Gerard wing stays till 22 floors, while your Miguel wing stays till 9th floor only. This is one of the two laundry places within the building, where we have the dryers on this side and washers on this side, and these are all card operated. So you once you get into the building, you get an access card which you can just refill it from here, from this machine. This is the 5th floor balcony, and what I said earlier, that's the view, the CN Tower, which you can see right now.
I'm pretty sure that during night time it looks crazy beautiful.
It does look crazy, and you have all the lightnings, all the lightnings of the downtown, everything on this side. So it really looks amazing. Then we have some sitting space over here, benches, seats, where you can actually take the sun bath when you have sun, which is most of the time rare, but right now this is the time where we have the sun, and it is I think 7 or 7:30.
Almost 7, almost 7.
Yeah, so you can see how much light we have around at this time. Then we have another barbecue over here, which you can use anytime. So yeah, this is the 5th floor, and then we have the another balcony downwards, but there are lots of people, so probably we're not gonna go over there.
So this is the other balcony. This is the 4th floor balcony, right?
Yes, that's right. So guys, this is our TV lounge, where we have a big size TV. You can connect it with your devices, or you can take a HDMI cable from downstairs security, and you can use it connecting through any device. There is lots of sitting space. These are comfortable couches, sofas, a table in center, and a decent place to sit and hang around.
Okay, so what all other amenities are here apart from what you've shown?
So if you talk about the amenities, I'll tell you during the COVID time, people were having those much facilities and amenities within the building that they won't have to even go outside, because, for example, Ryerson University, University of Toronto, those people were even sending the boxes of groceries to the people within the building.
So nice, man.
Okay.
I mean, can we imagine university supporting us to supporting their students so much that they're sending groceries, and
But
that's
yeah, they
all
were
free of
sending it.
cost?
Yeah, that was free of cost.
Wow. Okay. So what all amenities does the building has to offer?
Okay, now, yeah, that was the key part. So, if we talk about the amenities within the building, we have a good gym over here. It's not a huge gym, but yeah, it's decent enough to take care of your body. We have a swing room. If you want to stitch something, you can use it. We have a
That's
music
something
room.
new. A sewing room. I've never heard of that. I actually wanted to go and check that out. So you said gaming room as well.
We have the gaming room where we have a pool table, we have fuzzball, we have other small games, even rocket shooting kind of stuff. Then we have a carpentry room.
Okay.
Okay, we have a Hank lounge where you can just sit and chill around. It's a good restaurant type structure, but you just have to go and sit over there. We have an entertainment room where we have the TVs and everything. We have a music room where you can just, all the people, musicians come together and they jam together in that room.
I am sure that place would be too much fun. We actually tried, getting access to those rooms for shooting a video, but the security said that, it's not advisable to shoot a video over there, because of course there are many other people in these common areas and not everyone is happy when they are getting shot.
I actually missed out on two very important parts.
Yeah.
Okay, so one thing is about the food. Okay, so another thing I said, people won't have to go out for anything. That includes grocery as well. It's not, so what they do is every week there is a particular time slot where they put up lots of grocery stuff. You have your vegetables, you have your fruits and everything, and anyone can go and take it from there. And it's all free of cost.
So of course it's a huge place, probably like rooms are in hundreds.
If you look at the rooms, yes, they are more than 300.
More than 300 rooms, of course.
Yeah, but yeah, there are those are bifurcated into different kind of units. There are 4-room unit, there are 5-room unit, there are 6-room unit, and we have people of more than 70 nationalities living in this single building.
Wow. Okay, so this is the building, and it is just opposite Ryerson University. So of course you can imagine it is such a happening place.
It is.
So, last question. How much does it actually cost you?
Okay, so when we talk about the costing, it's $549 a month, all inclusive.
All inclusive?
Whatever we have talked about, every single thing is included already in $549. This also includes your grocery, the groceries which we talked about. It also covers your hydro, electricity, internet. For internet, you have to pay like $25 at the initial setup cost, but no other
Monthly,
cost.
it's like only $550.
No cost. Yeah, that's 549 inclusive of every single
That's a
possible thing.
steal. That's a steal, man.
There are other kind of room which cost around 580, but those rooms are huge. But yeah, again, those are difficult to get.
I'm pretty sure. Okay, so how do you get one of these rooms? Is it
Okay.
difficult, easy?
It is difficult.
Okay.
And for sure, it is very difficult. But yeah, for the people or the students who are trying for the September intake, this could be a good option because what happens during the summer break is because most of the students are not here, so they convert half of the building into hotel.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Okay.
So it is Neil Vizek Hotel as well as Neil Vizek student accommodation.
Okay, that's cool to know.
Yeah. So now when for the September batch, registration has already started. There is a form which need to be filled, and you need to send out a credit authorization with 1 month of rent. So
Okay.
they take that 1 month of rent as a deposit. If you get the accommodation, that amount is deducted from your credit card. If you don't get it, they will gonna refund it to you in 2 to 3 weeks.
2 or 3 weeks.
Yes, but
Okay.
that is the security deposit they take, and it's genuine because they have to make sure that the person is turning out.
Of course, of course.
Right, so that's a kind of security deposit, but that get adjusted in your overall transactions.
All right, guys, that's it for this video. I really enjoy this place whenever I come. You know, I try to meet him, especially that rooftop. That's my favorite place to hang out, actually. Okay, but apart from that, benefits of living in a downtown, as I told earlier, are somewhat different because, of course, you can, of course, some of the universities are also around. But apart from that, you can get jobs very easily, survival jobs I'm going to talk about. So there's so many eateries, so many eating joints over here.
You have
And-
grocery stores, supermarkets.
Obviously, so everything is so easy to get, so convenient. And apart from that, also, of course, it's a financial district. So not just those survival jobs, but most of the jobs of Toronto are in downtown Toronto. If I say that, probably downtown Toronto is very big. So if I say that statement, that might not be wrong. So it is actually beneficial itself if we, if you stay in downtown Toronto. So that's it for this video. I really hope that you would have enjoyed this video. If yes, please click the thumbs up button. Also, to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thanks a lot, bye, for
Thank you.
this video.